Hey guys, this is Frank Estrada, and in this video, I'm going to talk to y'all about a 15-day affiliate marketing training that is very low cost that I just can't wait to share with all of y'all. Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to talk to you about a 15-day affiliate marketing training that is very low cost and designed to get you your first online customer in 15 days. But before I get into that, I'd like to invite all of y'all to push on that subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that y'all get notifications whenever I make these new videos for all of y'all. Okay, so this training I'm going to talk to you about a 15-day business builder challenge by Legendary Marketer. I've gone through the challenge myself, and even though I've been with Legendary Marketer for a while, I went ahead and went through it because it was a brand new challenge. This is like the third or the fourth time that they revise it, so it is the latest and the greatest, the most up-to-date information when it comes to launching your affiliate marketing business. Okay, this company has paid off $250 million to its affiliates, and those numbers are only growing higher and higher and higher. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic business to be getting in, and it is a $7 billion a year business. Okay, so in these 15 days, okay, you're going to be learning things such as high income skills, which include lead generation, okay, getting customers to different opportunities through different products, e-commerce, whatever it is. In this case, we're talking about affiliate marketing. So you're going to be promoting other people's products and other people's services, basically getting customers to these different companies. It's going to teach you how to do your lead generation. Another high income skill is going to be on copywriting. How do you write emails that convert people? How do you write content in your ads and in your promotions to help people see the value that you're providing them? So that's another high income skill they give. And thirdly, it's going to be talking about sales and presentation, and it does feature one of the original sharks, Kevin Harrington, talking about his 3-point system, which is the T's, the please, and the C. And it's also going to be talking about, what is called the break-even funnel. All right. And in the break-even funnel, it talks about how when you are acquiring customers and you spend money on advertisement, your initial goal is simply to break even whenever you acquire a customer. So let me put it to you simply. If I spend $20, okay, and I got 5 people to sign up with me for $20, each person costs me $4, right? Okay, so I would have a goal that each person spends $4, which puts me at a profit of 0. Okay, that is a break-even funnel, and that should be your goal whenever you have these funnels in place. It explains to you as to why should your goal be to break even, to make 0. That doesn't make any sense. That is not a profitable business. But I'm here to tell you a break-even funnel is a $1 million business, okay? Because you should not be focused on making money on your front end offer. You should be focused on acquiring customers. And if it costs you $0 to acquire customers, that is a $1 million business. Because with a funnel, you have back end offers, and that's where it is, folks, that you make your profits. All right. So in this challenge, it's 15 days of training with Dave Sharp, who is a legend in the business. He started off from his dad's couch, and now he runs a multi-million-dollar business helping other people make incredible amounts of money while they're providing value and helping out other people. This 15-day challenge is $7, okay? So for $7, you're going to get 15 days of training from the man himself, legend David Sharp, and you're also going to get a living, breathing coach that you can communicate with, that you can send your questions to, so that you could talk to and to be doing all that. I'm going to be talking about high income skills, okay? Copywriting, lead generation, and sales and presentation. And the ultimate goal will be for you to land your first customer in 15 days. Okay, this is a fantastic opportunity. And if anybody's interested in signing up, click on the link below and we'll get you signed up. It's a mere $7. Okay, guys, a mere $7. The risk is very, very little compared to everything that you are getting with this training. Okay, and the best thing is, at the end of this training, you are going to get a physical in your hand business blueprint that you can take that blueprint with you and start your business elsewhere. Or if you want to, you can continue with this company and implement that business plan with them. This is a proven company that has made hundreds of millions of dollars, that have affiliates making very, very, very nice paychecks, all at the comfort of working on their schedule, on their time, having the days off that they want. So I invite y'all to click on the link below and we'll get you signed up right away. Okay, now if you found some value with this video, I invite y'all to click on that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up. Okay, it really helps support the channel. And thanks everybody for listening. We'll be in touch soon, guys. Take care.